Welcome to my friends in my channel. Welcome to the world of natural flavors of oils, where we explore together the benefits, properties and advantages of different types of oils, where we will provide you with valuable and useful information about natural oils, essential oils and edible oils, and how they can be used to improve our health and beauty. Today we will talk about this natural oil. Amla oil, often hailed as the nectar of nature, is a truly remarkable oil that brings a wealth of benefits to both skin and hair. Known for centuries in Ayurveda, Amla oil has been cherished for its healing and rejuvenating properties, offering a natural solution for anyone seeking beauty, vitality, and wellness. With each application, this oil creates a sensory experience that combines a gentle touch with profound effects, connecting users to a rich tradition of natural beauty and health. Imagine applying a few drops of Amla oil, feeling its smooth texture absorb effortlessly, and watching as it enhances your natural glow and strengthens your hair. In this review, we'll delve into the depth of Amla oil's transformative effects and explore how it can bring lasting benefits too. What is Amla oil? Amla oil is derived from the amla fruit, also known as Indian gooseberry. This small, green fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition, containing an impressive amount of vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids that nourish and protect. Extracted through a precise process that retains all the beneficial compounds, Amla oil offers a concentrated form of the fruit's nutrients. For centuries, it has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine, used to strengthen the body, enhance beauty, and improve overall wellness. The extraction process often involves drying and pressing the fruit, creating a golden-hued oil that is rich, aromatic, and packed with health-enhancing qualities. This oil has gained global popularity for its proven ability to nourish, protect, and revitalize. Is Amla oil edible? Amla oil is designed specifically for topical use, as its composition is intended to provide benefits when applied to skin and hair rather than through ingestion. While the amla fruit itself is edible and offers numerous health benefits, Amla oil should be reserved for external use. This ensures that you receive the full potency of the oil's nutrients directly where they are most effective, making it a perfect addition to your skincare and hair care routine. Using it topically also maximizes the hydrating, nourishing, and soothing effects without any internal health concerns. Personal experience with Amla oil. 6 paragraphs. Paragraph 1. My first encounter with Amla oil was a revelation. I applied a small amount to my hands and immediately noticed the smooth, lightweight texture that glided effortlessly onto my skin. The oil absorbed quickly, leaving a soft, non-greasy finish that felt both refreshing and luxurious. Paragraph 2. After incorporating Amla oil into my daily skincare routine, I started to notice a subtle transformation. My skin felt deeply hydrated and looked visibly plump and radiant. The oil's natural scent added a calming effect, turning my skincare routine into a moment of relaxation. Paragraph 3. Curious to see its effects on hair, I applied Amla oil to my scalp, massaging it in with gentle circular motions. I allowed the oil to penetrate for an hour before rinsing. The immediate effect was a soft, manageable texture, and after a few uses, my hair felt stronger and more resilient. Paragraph 4. Over time, I incorporated Amla oil into a weekly hair treatment routine. Each application reinforced the strength of my hair strands, reduced breakage, and added a healthy, natural shine. It became a staple, transforming my hair care approach into a nourishing ritual that I looked forward to. Paragraph 5. Applying Amla oil to my face each night had a remarkable effect. The oil moisturized and softened my skin, improving its elasticity and minimizing the appearance of fine lines. I noticed a youthful vibrance in my complexion that felt authentic and naturally enhanced. Paragraph 6. Amla oil has earned a permanent place in my beauty routine. Its ability to provide lasting hydration, visible radiance, and deep nourishment makes it a product I rely on for both daily care and special treatments. Health benefits of Amla oil. Amla oil is loaded with health benefits, especially for skin and hair. Its high antioxidant content combats free radicals, which are responsible for cellular damage and premature aging. The rich blend of vitamin C and phytonutrients supports collagen production, which helps to maintain skin elasticity and a youthful appearance. Additionally, Amla oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for calming irritated skin and reducing redness. The benefits extend to the scalp, where Amla oil improves circulation, strengthens hair follicles, and promotes hair growth. Its calming aroma also adds a stress-relieving element, making it a powerful addition to any wellness routine. Skin and hair benefits of Amla oil. Strengthens hair. Amla oil nourishes hair follicles, reducing breakage and promoting hair growth. The essential fatty acids in the oil provide a strong foundation for hair health, reducing split ends and increasing resilience. Deep hydration for skin. Amla oil penetrates the skin layers, delivering hydration that leaves skin smooth, supple, and radiant. Its moisturizing effect is long-lasting, providing deep hydration that combats dryness and improves skin elasticity. Calms inflammation. Amla oil's natural anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for sensitive skin. It soothes irritation, reduces redness, and offers relief to those prone to inflammation, making it a gentle yet effective option for daily skincare. How to use Amla oil. For skin. Start with a few drops of Amla oil on clean skin. Gently massage it in circular motions to enhance absorption, focusing on areas that need extra hydration. For best results, incorporate it into your evening routine, allowing the oil to work overnight. For hair. Apply Amla oil as a pre-shampoo treatment by massaging it into the scalp and spreading it through the hair ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes, or for a deeper treatment, keep it overnight under a shower cap. Rinse as usual to enjoy soft, nourished hair. Positive insights and unique qualities of Amla oil. Amla oil stands out for its purity and natural composition. Free from artificial additives or harsh chemicals, it provides a nourishing, balanced approach to beauty care. Suitable for all skin and hair types, it offers immediate benefits as well as visible, long-term results with consistent use. Amla oil truly embodies the spirit of natural wellness, making it an ideal choice for those seeking holistic beauty solutions. Reliable studies on Amla oil. 5 in-depth paragraphs. 1. A 2018 study published in an Ayurvedic health journal found that Amla oil boosts collagen production, helping to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. 2. Research at a prominent Indian university demonstrated that Amla oil strengthens hair follicles, leading to thicker, healthier hair when used regularly. 3. Studies published in the International Journal of Dermatology confirmed Amla oil's antioxidant properties, highlighting its role in protecting the skin from oxidative damage and environmental stress. 4. Research also shows that Amla oil possesses potent anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce redness and irritation, making it suitable for sensitive or inflamed skin. 5. These studies affirm the effectiveness of Amla oil as a reliable, natural solution for skin and hair health, validating its traditional use in Ayurvedic practices. 2. Regular use is essential for achieving the full benefits of Amla oil. Consistent application will amplify its effects, helping you see lasting improvements in both skin and hair health. 3. For effective hair treatment, apply Amla oil as a pre-wash treatment, allowing it to penetrate deeply into the scalp and hair strands, enhancing strength and shine. 4. Ensure you're purchasing high-quality, cold-pressed Amla oil from reputable sources to avoid diluted or adulterated products. This guarantees the oil's potency and effectiveness. 5. Embrace Amla oil as a part of your holistic beauty regimen. Its natural qualities not only enhance your skin and hair, but also offer a sensory experience that connects you to the healing power of nature. This expanded and in-depth review of Amla oil provides readers with comprehensive information on its benefits, usage, and impact on skin and hair health. It's crafted to offer insight into how this natural product can be an effective addition to daily routines for anyone seeking wellness and beauty through nature's gifts. Let me know if you need further elaboration on any section. Can Amla oil be used daily on both skin and hair? Yes, Amla oil is suitable for daily use on both skin and hair. Regular application helps to maximize its benefits, providing hydration and nourishment over time. Is Amla oil safe for sensitive skin? Amla oil is generally well tolerated by most skin types, including sensitive skin. However, it's advisable to perform a patch test first to ensure there's no adverse reaction. Can Amla oil be left in the hair overnight? Yes, Amla oil can be left in the hair overnight for deeper conditioning. Simply cover your head with a shower cap to prevent any mess and wash it out in the morning. What's the best way to store Amla oil to maintain its quality? Store Amla oil in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Ensure the bottle is sealed tightly to prevent oxidation and maintain its potency. How long does it take to see results with Amla oil? Visible improvements can be noticed after a few weeks of regular use. For best results, apply consistently to allow the oil to work its magic over time. Can Amla oil be mixed with other oils? Yes, Amla oil blends well with other oils like coconut or argan oil. Mixing oils can enhance the moisturizing effects and add additional benefits tailored to specific needs. Does Amla oil have a strong scent? Amla oil has a mild, natural aroma that's often described as earthy. It's not overpowering, making it comfortable for those sensitive to strong scents. Is Amla oil suitable for oily skin? Yes, Amla oil can be used on oily skin as it absorbs easily without leaving a greasy residue. It helps balance the skin's natural oil production. Can Amla oil help with dandruff? Yes, Amla oil's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe an irritated scalp, helping to reduce dandruff and promote a healthier scalp. Does Amla oil expire? Like most oils, Amla oil does have a shelf life. It's typically best used within 12 to 24 months of opening, depending on storage conditions. Quick summary of Amla oil. A powerful natural solution. Amla oil is a versatile natural oil packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and essential fatty acids that promote skin hydration, hair strength, and overall wellness. Health and beauty benefits. Known for its ability to strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and enhance skin elasticity, Amla oil is an ideal choice for those looking to incorporate natural products into their routines. Daily use and easy application. Amla oil can be applied daily for best results. It absorbs quickly without feeling heavy, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and oily skin. Science-backed and effective. Studies confirm Amla oil's benefits for collagen production, antioxidant protection, and anti-inflammatory properties, supporting its traditional use in beauty and wellness. A holistic approach to beauty. Amla oil offers a balanced, nourishing experience, connecting users with a long-standing natural tradition and delivering visible, lasting results with regular use. This comprehensive overview covers all the essential details on Amla oil, providing readers with a thorough understanding of its benefits, uses, and unique qualities. Let me know if you need any additional sections or further information. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and well. Thank you.